So today I'm going to show you how to create this logo that I've created for a company called Minimal Mass Systems. And when I'm drawing on top of something, I like to decrease the opacity here. So you see that it fades out to about 50%. And then I go to Object and then Lock selection. So now it's locked. Now I'm not going to accidentally move it. When I place this, then I take the pen tool, pressing P, or pressing here, pen tool. Then I'm just gonna start drawing it. Let's create, let's put a 0.1 stroke, or one point stroke, and then remove the fill. So let's start. Left click and drag by holding it, and then I like to click and drag, and then you're gonna get this line. You see this line here. If you left click and drag and don't let go of it, and then if you accidentally put this point in the wrong place, hold space and you'll be able to move it. And then when you let space go, then you place it again. So now we're just gonna go ahead and try to do the outline of this feather. Let's do it fairly quickly. And if you want to change, you get two handles once you've pressed down the pen tool. If you want to change one of the handles, just hold Alt on PC or Option on Mac, and you'll be able to change the handle individually. So let's go ahead. See. That. Let's change this handle. You don't have to be so exact, because you can go back and edit each point. So now we have one side done. Now we're going to do the other side. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, because you can go back and edit each point after. Like so. Once I've drawn it, I'm gonna remove this template that I have in the background. I go to layers, and then you see I've locked this. This is the picture that I've imported. I unlock it, click on it, and then press delete. And now we can go through and edit it quickly. Do the direct selection tool. Then you can press on each point and you can move it, or you can delete the point. You can individually change these handles. So let's say you want a little bit of a more rounded curve there. Say you don't like this here. We can go and even round it off a little bit like that. So yeah, when you're happy with your drawing, I like to go to this, select it all, do the shape builder tool, and then just choose whichever color you want. So I'm gonna go with black, left click, and there I have the logo that I've created, something like that. If you would like for me to create your logo, just write in the comment or check out my website that I have in my info. Yeah, have a good day everyone. Bye bye.